Today, we will be discussing how to install a hose on a reel. If you purchased or received a reel that didn't include a hose, or you want to put your own hose on a reel, follow our step-by-step guide on how to install it. If you're looking to purchase a hose, visit our website to determine which hose to get based on your model and application. Begin by applying thread sealant to each end of the hose. Next, feed the new hose through the roller guides, then feed it through the opening in the spool and thread it into the swivel. Once it's threaded into the swivel, add the U-bolt back to the spool using your socket wrench. Then take the bumper from your old hose and install it onto your new hose. Now you can repressurize the system and check for leaks before you retract it back in. After your hose doesn't show any signs of leaks, pull on your hose and retract it back into place. Now you're ready to use your new hose. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.